Hi students, so now we are here with one more program called Unsigned Division in 8086 Microprocessors and Interfacing Plan. So it's a very simple program, it's just like arithmetic operation now. So when we go for division operation and when we say it's a 8-bit division, so in this particular program, so we need to take a 16-bit input and divide it by 8-bit input, one more input. When you talk about 8-bit division, it is nothing but you are dividing a 16-bit data with a 8-bit data. And when you talk about the 16-bit division, so it is nothing but you are dividing 32-bit input with a 16-bit input. That's a single point to be remembered. Now let us see the logic here. So move SI comma 2000 and move AX comma SI. For example, if I have taken in 2000 memory location, so I have taken 0020. And in 2002 memory location I have taken 02. Now what should be the result? So it should be divided 0010 I should get. Now for any division we used to get a quotient and as well as remainder. So here the remainder and quotient, in this the total result is stored in AX. So AH and AL, lower order will be storing the remainder and this one stores the quotient, means a 0010. So this remainder is a 0, so quotient will be stored in lower byte and remainder will be stored in higher byte of AX register. Now let us implement that same here. I have written a program for unsigned division. So SI 2000 so this is the program already available. So what are the inputs I have given? I have given 0020 to be divided by 02, only lower byte. Why? Because 16-bit input is to be divided by lower bit input, right? So 8-bit input I have given 02. Now once we execute this using G command, the total result what you get is actually 10. So 10 is the quotient and 00 is the remainder. 00 is the remainder. So this 0010 will be stored in the memory location also, SW2000. So what do we get? 0020, this is second input. So as you see here 1000, yes. So 200002 is the input, output is 10 is the quotient, remainder is 00. Similarly, when we go for a 16-bit division, so for 16-bit division we have to give 32-bit input, right? So we have only registers supported for 16-bit only. How can we provide this 32-bit input? As I said in the multiplication program also, DX register supports for storing additional data. In this particular program, see, move SI comma 2000, move AX comma SI, means the first word is moved into AX, and move DX comma SI02. Suppose if you give so 0001 1234, suppose this is the 32-bit data you want to provide, then AX will be storing 1234 and DX will be storing 0001, and then this to be divided with the values which is stored in BX register. BX will be having 00 something, whatever the 16-bit word. After this the total result, so here also quotient will be stored in AX register, remainder will be stored in DX register. These are the points to be remembered. In 8-bit division, quotient is stored in AL, remainder is stored in AH. In 16-bit division, quotient is stored in AX and remainder will be stored in DX. Now, so let us see. So what is the difference between these two? Means we have to provide 32-bit input. These two instructions will give 32-bit input and 16-bit one more input, and we are performing division between that 32-bit divided by 16-bit. We are moving the result into the SI plus 6, DX also into SI plus 8. Now for this SW2000, what inputs we want to give? Let us see. 1 2 3 4 comma 0000. This is the input I want to give. Enter. And another input I want that to be divided by 1 2 3 4. So I have already written the typed the program in this memory location. As you see, move SI 2000 for giving inputs, AX comma SI, DX comma SI plus 2 for framing 32-bit input, move BX comma 04 for divisor, and div BX, it performs the division of AX and DX data with BX, and AX will be storing this quotient and DX will be storing in remainder. So G space, what output we should get? The inputs what you have given is a 0000. The inputs given is 0000 1 2 3 4, and it is divided by 1 2 3 4. The result, the quotient should be 01. Quotient should be 01 0001, and remainder is 0000. So these two values are stored in AX and DX registers. Now let us check see, AX is having 0001, DX is having 0000. The same values are loaded onto the memory locations also. If we check, so this is the first AX input, DX 32-bit input. This is BX register, which is a divisor. The output is quotient is 0001, remainder is 0000. As simple as this. So this is about unsigned division of operation using 8086 assembly language program. Thing to be remembered is, if you talk about 8-bit division, you are dividing a 16-bit data by 8-bit. If you talk about 16-bit division, you are dividing a 32-bit data with a 16-bit. This is the point to be remembered. Hope you understand this. So thank you. Share this among your friends.